Hey there, welcome to Patio Productions. Today I want to share with you 7 backyard renovations that can seriously boost your home's value. Number 1 on our list, adding an outdoor kitchen. Having an outside space to cook and entertain is a huge selling point these days. This is a great way to bring the inviting ambiance of your home outside. Plus, if your home is in a colder climate where a pool can only get used so much throughout the year, installing an outdoor kitchen instead gives you a functional outdoor space all year long. Now for number 2 on our renovation list, a patio deck. New decking is a constant invitation for you to enjoy your yard more often. And it makes your home super attractive to potential buyers. The cost can vary, but you're looking at anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, depending on the features. Next up, an outdoor seating area. You've got to have a place to kick back, relax, and enjoy some sunshine. For family gatherings or hosting a party, stylish and comfy seating is a must-have. Wicker, cast aluminum, teak. There are tons of great options. Throw in a fire pit and you're golden. And here's one that's easy to overlook. Give your exterior a fresh coat of paint. It's like a facelift for your home, and it's one of the most affordable renovations with a great return on investment. Now let's talk landscaping. According to the pros, curb appeal carries all the way around to your backyard. Add some strategic lighting, plant colorful flowers, keep everything manicured to show that your home is well cared for inside and out. This next one's for those of you looking to go green. Consider installing a rainwater recycling system. This eco-friendly feature can lower your bills and impress environmentally conscious buyers. And finally, don't neglect your fencing. A sturdy, attractive fence makes your home feel stylish and secure. Want to dive deeper into planning your backyard renovation? Check out the link in the description below for our full comprehensive guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.